Hello, and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to talk to you about our Desiccant Dehumidifier. If you have moisture in your building and you're in need of dehumidification, you have two options. One is you can use a refrigerant dehumidifier like an LGR dehumidifier or any air conditioner to remove moisture. The limitation with any refrigerant dehumidifier is that it can only get down to 35% relative humidity. If you need to get below that, then you need to use a desiccant dehumidifier, which can get you close to 0% relative humidity. There are many applications for a desiccant dehumidifier, but some of the most common applications would be restoration and water damage, new construction projects, food and pharmaceutical processing facilities, packaging facilities, industrial painting, and ice skating arenas and sports facilities. For a desiccant dehumidifier, the primary component is the desiccant wheel. The desiccant wheel is roughly 4 feet in diameter and about a foot thick and is comprised of silica material. Silica is designed to capture and hold moisture. So when we set this equipment up at your facility, we pull the air out of your building. It comes in through the machine. We pull it through the desiccant wheel, and then it rotates through a small quadrant that is superheated that extracts all the moisture that's being held in the wheel, freeing it up to capture more moisture from inside your building. It's important to follow the startup and shutdown procedure for the desiccant. During the startup procedure and the shutdown procedure, the desiccant wheel needs to complete a full rotation. In the startup procedure, it's priming it to begin extracting moisture. And during the cooldown period, because of the quadrant of high heat, we need to allow the wheel time to cool down. For the startup procedure, first you want to verify that you're supplying the equipment with 480 volt three-phase power. Once you confirm this, you can turn the equipment on. The phase monitor will come on briefly to verify that the power rotation is correct, and the cooldown light will come on for approximately 5 minutes while the wheel completes a full rotation. Once the cooldown light is off, we can switch from standby to run, and the unit is up and running. For the shutdown procedure, the first step is to switch the toggle from run to standby. And you see that the standby light comes on and the cooldown light comes on. This will allow the wheel 5 minutes to complete a full rotation for the cooldown procedure. Once the cooldown light turns off, the unit's ready to be shut down.